This is how to use HyperWax. HyperWax is a silica polymer based product which leaves a ceramic hydrophobic coating on vehicles, giving them protection from contaminants. Firstly, make sure the vehicle surface is cool to the touch, wet and free from dirt or contaminants. A deep and thorough clean will ensure this, making sure your vehicle is HyperWax ready. It can be used on most surfaces, metals, glass and plastics, and if you're unsure, feel free to contact us or comment below. Do not apply to hot surfaces or in direct sunlight. Always wear gloves and do not eat, drink or smoke whilst using the product. Dilute in a foam lance or a hand cannon. Mix 1 part HyperWax to 25 parts water and apply an even coat starting from the bottom up. Allow it to bond with the surface for up to 60 seconds, but do not let it dry. Rinse from the bottom upwards, and as you can see, the water is beading instantly. Dry off with a clean towel, then gently buff in with a microfiber cloth. This step enhances shine and the hydrophobic effect. When the vehicle is dirty or clean without protection, dirt and contaminants will latch onto the surface, making it hard to clean off and potentially damage the surface. With protection, now it's harder for the vehicle to become dirty and extremely easy for you to clean your vehicle. Water and contaminants will just be repelled with excellent beading and will give protection against the elements. When your vehicle has the HyperWax coating, it will last up to 6 months. So, now you know how to use HyperWax. Thank you for watching.